Imagine this. You've spent countless hours meticulously organizing your projects in Wrike, a powerful task management tool. But what if you need to share this data with someone who doesn't use Wrike? Or maybe you want to analyze your project data in a spreadsheet for deeper insights. The question is, can you export Wrike to Excel? The short answer, yes, you can, but it's not as straightforward as clicking a single button. Let's dive into the steps involved. Step-by-step guide. Choose your export method. Individual tasks. If you only need data for specific tasks, right-click on the task and select Export. Choose the desired format, CSV, XLSX, or PDF. Entire projects. For a comprehensive overview of a project, go to the project settings, click Export, and select your preferred format. Custom reports. Wrike offers a robust reporting feature. Create a custom report with the data you need and export it as a CSV or XLSX file. Customize your export. Select columns. Choose which columns you want to include in your export. This is especially helpful when dealing with large datasets. Filter data. Apply filters to narrow down the data you're exporting. For instance, you might want to export only tasks assigned to a specific team member or those with a particular due date. Set date range. If you need data for a specific time period, set the date range accordingly. Export and save. Once you've configured your export settings, click the Export button. Choose a location on your computer to save the exported file. Additional tips. Formatting. Wrike does a good job of preserving formatting when exporting to Excel. However, you might need to make minor adjustments to ensure everything looks as expected. Data validation. Before exporting, double-check your data for accuracy. Any errors in your Wrike data will be reflected in your exported file. Large datasets. If you're exporting a large number of tasks or projects, the export process might take some time. Be patient. Real-world use cases. Let's explore some practical scenarios where exporting Wrike to Excel can be invaluable. Project planning and budgeting. Export your project data to Excel to create detailed Gantt charts, track progress, and allocate resources effectively. Reporting and analysis. Analyze your team's productivity, identify bottlenecks, and measure project success using Excel's powerful data analysis tools. Collaboration with non-Wrike users. Share project data with stakeholders who aren't familiar with Wrike by providing them with an Excel file. Exporting Wrike to Excel is a versatile feature that can enhance your project management workflow. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily extract the data you need and leverage Excel's capabilities for analysis, reporting, and collaboration. Have you tried exporting Wrike to Excel? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.